Chat solution, GTA 5 could not load rune64.dll error. Fix 1. Verify GTA 5 game files most important. Steam 1. Open Steam. 2. Library. Right-click GTA 5. 3. Properties. Installed files. 4. Click Verify integrity of game files. Epic Games 1. Library GTA 5. 3 dots. 2. Manage Verify. This will restore rune64.dll automatically. Fix 2. Check antivirus Windows security. Antivirus often deletes or blocks rune64.dll. 1. Open Windows Security. 2. Virus and threat protection. Protection history. 3. Restore any blocked GTA files. 4. Go to Exclusions. Add GTA 5 folder. You can see the code in our conversation history. Do not download rune64.dll from random websites. Check Fix 3. Run Rockstar Games Launcher as administrator. 1. Close GTA and Rockstar Launcher. 2. Right-click Rockstar Games Launcher. 3. Click Run as Administrator. 4. Launch GTA 5. Fix 4. Repair Rockstar Games Launcher. 1. Open Apps and Features. 2. Find Rockstar Games Launcher. 3. Advanced Options. Repair. 4. Restart PC. Fix 5. Remove mods if installed. If you use mods, 1. Go to GTA 5 directory. 2. Remove input8.dll, script hook files, mods folder. 3. Launch game again. Mods often cause rune64.dll errors. Fix 6. Windows System Repair. 1. Open Command Prompt. Admin. 2. Run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Wait. Restart PC. Fix 7. Reinstall GTA 5. Last option. Only if nothing works. 1. Uninstall GTA 5. 2. Reinstall from Steam, Epic, Rockstar. 3. Launch without mods first. Important truth. Say this in video. Rune64.dll is a game file. Downloading DLLs from websites equals virus risk. Verification is the real fix.